Hey everyone, this is the Kitchen Cleaning Razz from Miss Angela Blackwell, 40 at 1. Copy the list. Go live. 4:55. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 4:56. We have an 11. 4:56. 40 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10th time, there's still 40 items on the list. Miss Charity Wilson is on the top. Miss Anita Craft is on the bottom. We've randomized 10 times. The dice call for an 11. 4:56, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 20, Miss Anita Craft is the winner. Congrats, Miss Anita. 40 items on the list. 11 times. The dice call for an 11. We are done. 4:57. Thanks, everyone.